Hi, this is the man from Modesto. Today I'm going to cut the legs out from underneath evolution. They basically have this three-legged stool that they always fall back to when they're pressed even a little, and that is the system of geological and archaeological dating, the tree ring dating system, and also the dating system based upon isotopes which decay to lead-206. Okay, so now basically this is number one. I'm going to go over number one in this video. A man named Charles Lyell made up a theory which he called stratigraphy. He later stated that he made this up because he hated the Christians who said that the world was 6,000 years old. That's why he made it up. This theory is based on hate. He said the world occurred in exactly 12 layers, and they had different ages, and he gave them names like Pleistocene, Jurassic, etc., etc., etc. Okay, those names are important, but what is important is that he made it up. Now, after many decades, years of drilling through cores by oil miners and etc., they've never ever found those 12 layers in the order that he put them. In fact, they've only ever found 4 layers immediately together in the order that he predicted, and they were actually upside down. Okay, exactly the opposite that he said they should occur. So he's been completely wrong, and no decent university anywhere teaches stratigraphy anywhere. If your university taught you that, go demand a refund. Okay, now, unfortunately, although this has been thrown out, Lyell's theories have been thrown out, what remains with us today, in an amazing system of circular argument, and this is in the scientific community, people, is that geologists and archaeologists date their items based on each other. Now, the geologist, if you ask him how old is this layer in the earth, he's going to say, well, there was a cup found in that layer which was 50,000 years old. So therefore, this earth is also 50,000 years old. That's great science. That makes sense to me. Okay, they found an item, and we're sure that it wasn't a burial pit, right? So if it's 50,000 years old, then this is also 50,000 years old. I am good with that. I'm good with that. Okay, now, here's the deal. When they ask the archaeologist, how old is this cup? He says, it's 50,000 years old. And they say, well, why do you know it's 50,000 years old? And he says, because I found it in a layer of earth which was 50,000 years old. Again, that makes sense. Except, wait a minute, they both rely on each other. Together, it doesn't make sense. It's a circular argument, and it completely fails. The cup is 50,000 years old because the dirt's 50,000 years old. The dirt's 50,000 years old because the cup's 50,000 years old. And all of this stands on this. That's where these dates came from. 100,000 years right here is this 100,000 years right here.